Okay, so now we continue with the update our debtor balance and creditor balance. Okay, assume that last year we got start with our business start from 1st of January 2000, then until end of December. Then we got some balance of our debtor not yet to corrected, like company Ali company still have the debtor balance not yet clear out. Okay, so I just put 10,000 as a sample. Okay, so our balance of our debtor is 10,000, so I make it balance. Then our creditor, we also have a balance for XYZ company and the Wisma company. So creditor 5,000, XYZ company 5,000. Okay, so the related balance of the creditor and the debtor is last year brought forward. Okay, so as it after we key in on the opening balance, so we start to distribute the last year balance to inform the PC or inform our system, UBS system. By default, we got 4 debtor, tweak debtor. I got 4 tweak debtor. Then B company, C company, and XYZ company, these 3 company, last year already settled their payment. Only Ali company not yet pay out their balance, so that we need to inform start from the last year December whether they have a balance. Okay, if last year they got, I just take out include zero balance. Okay, we start up from here. So last year on December, they take out 5,000 goods from us, and on December Christmas, they also take out 5,000 goods from us. So we issue the invoice to them, but on November and December, Ali company not yet pay out to us. Okay, still have the balance. Okay, past 2 months still have the balance, so we need to distribute the related opening balance to the related month. Okay, same as our creditor, we take out the goods from Wisma last year. So for creditor on credit side, so we need to put negative. Maybe last year October, I take out 3,000 goods from Wisma company, and I take out 1,000 goods on November. Then past year December, I take out 1,000. So we need to specify each of the amount or each of the balance we took out. Okay, so we need to inform which month we take out the goods. But for this setting, only from first month you brought forward, first time you set up. Then after second month, third month, until end of the year, the system will automatic update. So first time we set up the computer, we need to distribute last year balance brought forward. Okay, only first month. Then second month, third month, you don't need to update anymore, because the following month is a current month, then will automatic update their system. Okay, only the first month that don't have value, so that we need to set up by our own. So we go to check the debtor listing. Is a detail of our debtor, include the telephone bill, include the phone number, include the address. Okay, but at here we did not key in anything, so we can't print out. We don't have key in phone number and address. Okay, Then the print out the label, the address of the adapted. Then we can print out debtor statement. So the date you can put first month, first period. Okay. So we can print out the rated statement with the rated debtor, like Ali, the statement account balance 10,000. Then the below will distribute which month. Okay. So we can take with show absolute month. If we take absolute month, then when we print out the statement to Ali, that will show up last year December 2000 the company take out the goods from us. Then last month November they take out the goods for us. Then current month from January we not yet process the transaction, so the balance is 0. Okay, so the 10,000 is last year balance. Okay, so we need to print out the statement. Then we also can print out the debtor transaction for last month, transaction summary for last month. If we have rated invoice, okay, debit note, credit note, brought forward. But here, due to we just start up new account, so don't need. So as a summary, we print out debtor aging. So we can list out all the debtor aging. Okay, so we find out only Ali have the balance not yet complete. Then the other company already settled their payment. Okay, so we can check for it with debtor aging. Then we can do the sales analyze, the year of the sales, our top 10 customer, our commission, our salesman commission listing. If we link with the agent name and their sales, then we can print out the receipt for to the customer. Okay, then we can offset open item and check with unpaid bill, print the statement for past 6 month aging, then set up the customer side opening balance and aging opening balance. But the most important, if we want to link with our agent, of course we need to add on the sample of the name of our agent. Okay, so for our debtor, normally is not handled by the account clerk. Normally we just let our sales agent to handle with our debtor. Then we communicate with our sales agent. Our agent will communicate with the rated debtor. But sometimes the rated company will straight away communicate with the account clerk if without our company without sales agent, or the sales agent is our boss. Okay, if our manager, okay, then they pass the customer to us, then we need to communicate with them. Okay, so if our company got the sales agent, then we need to create the name first. So general, maintain maintenance account, we update the agent name like Pak Tarik PT. Okay, inject Pak Tarik. Okay, so we just save. Then Mary MY. Okay, so we got 2 sales agent, so we can save it. Okay, then for rated company, then we can link with rated sales agent, so we can save. Second one, we link with Pak Tarik. Okay, and third one, okay, Mary. Okay, save. Then last one, Pak Tarik. Okay, then we can save. Okay, so when we print out the debtor aging or we print out the sales analyze, then we can refer the rated agent. Okay, so then we can list out the agent commission list, but as previous we don't have any double entry, so we can't check for the agent with the sales, with the commission amount. But this part is quite important due to at here we can print out rated agent like Mary, their sales how much, their commission how much, then final amount they generate. Okay, so we can do the comparison, see which sales agent is better. Okay, I see. So it's a sample of it. Or sometimes we can update our commission, we can increase the commission so that we have a better sales. Then for creditor, okay, creditor, of course we can link the agent, but the agent is referred with our purchasing. Okay, our purchase department is linked with the supplier agent. Okay, that one is not our own company, it's not handled by the agent is not our company, is the creditor company. Okay, so our purchasing manager maybe communicate with the supplier agent. Okay, bargain with the price. Okay, so for debtor creditor and debtor creditor aging and the report is nearby. Then for creditor part, okay, we don't have the statement. Creditor part, we wait supplier or creditor, trade creditor issue the statement to us. Then for our own record, if we already prepare the check or we process the payment already, then of course we can print out the remittance advice, issue to our creditor to inform that we already make a payment. So we can print out the remittance advice to issue to the rated supplier to inform that, oh, this 5,000 I want to return to you, or we still have the balance, okay, not yet to settle. Okay, so this one we can print out as a remittance advice. Okay, so remittance advice is the opposite of the debtor statement. Supplier issue debtor statement to us, we process with the remittance advice. Mean on, we do the comparison with the transaction whether it's matched or not. Okay, due to we just really maybe their company got mistyping. Okay, suppose post to our company, Sunny company, but the rated transaction is for Sony company. They just put the record to our company, Sunny company. Okay, it's their account card mistake, so we need to do the comparison whether our statement got any error and the rated balance is not belong to us. Okay, so we can compare with it. Then for our own checking, we can print out with transaction summary with the supplier. Then creditor aging, we check with our current liability. Okay, how much we still own with our supplier, so we can check for the balance. Okay, so for our bank cash flow, at least we need to prepare the rated money for our current liability. Okay, then of course we also can do the analyze of our purchase, whether we need to purchase less or we need to prepare purchase more for Christmas, for New Year, for Hari Raya. Okay, maybe after on June or on May. Okay, it's a Raya, so start from January I already need to make a purchase. Okay, then we need to wait 1 or 2 months to wait the goods from overseas, or we need to wait the supplier to prepare their goods. Then in May or June we can ready our stock to sold out online or just sold out to overseas. Okay, so we need to prepare 1 or 2 or 3 months for the transported good. Okay, so the debtor side and creditor side already complete. Then next part is start from transaction.